Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm alright. How are you?
Pretty good. I haven't checked in a while. We've been super busy.
Yeah.
What are you up to?
Well, we're trying to hang these curtain rods, and I don't think that we've talked about this since. So we got these tabs that are for the drawers. I really like them. We couldn't just hang them on the wall directly because of how they were set up. So Daddy created this white block for us to hang, which solves the problem. However, now we have a new problem. We also got these black things to hang the curtains, which look really cool in the bedroom and stuff, if you go look at those. However, if I put the curtain rod here, as you can see, then these hang down past this black thing, which obviously we want to cover because that's just how curtains work. We want it to cover the window. So I might have to put it all the way up at the top, which might not be too bad for these windows, but when you go to that back window, there's not going to be enough room back there. So I don't know what to do.
And you know, I don't know what to do. So,
but I want to hang these.
She wants to hang these right now?
Like today before we leave.
Hang the actual curtains on the walls.
Yes, because these curtains are done.
All right, let's do it. Oh, yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. The floor. Look at it. You can see the difference from how red that looks on the left versus how nice and brown this looks on the right. We had to hit a stopping point because we are going to rebuild the island. So
Correct.
I have cleaned out the island, all the stuff under there for storage, and I have put it up top, but can't wait to see what he does with this weekend. Probably won't see it in this episode, who knows. But if you do get to see it in this episode, everything will look vastly different than I think once the island's complete.
Oh yeah. Once the island's done, it's gonna be drastic.
Are you painting the island green?
Yep, that was the plan.
Cool. All right, let's do some curtains.
Okay.
So you're about to take out the island. Today's the day.
Today's the day. I kind of mark where it is so I know I don't go beyond these. And I can go this way beyond, but not this way beyond.
You know, if he had a contracting nickname, I think it'd be Wreck-It Ralph.
Wreck-It Ralph. I'm gonna wreck it! I'm gonna wreck it!
Or would it be Mr. Fix-It?
Right, that makes a lot more sense. I'm Wreck-It Ralph.
No.
No, you
I'm Wreck-It Ralph. And just like that, we are full circle. You about to grab it?
Yeah. Actually, it's not too bad. Alrighty.
Nice.
Some lightweight. Someone will want that. You guys take it up to the road. Take it to the road.
Check it out, guys. So this is formerly the sink that was inside the RV, and now it's soon to be Magdalene's playhouse, at least part of the playhouse that Jared's gonna build for her, by hand, from scratch. Aren't you excited? I'm just joking. I'm just kidding. Check out the island, guys. So this is how big the sink's gonna be. It's just completely sink. There's no more island. It's nothing but sink. This is where we're gonna wash puppies and all that stuff. So let me know your opinions on that. Obviously, please.
Wash puppies.
Wash puppies.
Stuff up all the time.
Wash multiple watermelons at the same time. Just sink. All right, guys. So we have new updates for the bathroom, and Alyssa's gonna take us through those updates.
So first of all, we are practically done in here, which is very exciting.
Yeah.
Really, the only project left is this floor.
Floor looks a little pretty raunchy right now.
Right. But if you don't look up there, or look down there, and look up here, but then look down again, And look at our brand new shower floor.
That looks nice. That looks good.
So, I found like a mat to go inside our shower. It was one piece. It was beautiful. It was like $160. And I was like, no way. I found a similar one that was $80 or $90. Still nothing. They're individual tiles. They came in a set of 10, right? And it was like $55.
Cool.
So we put it together, and when I say we, I mean Daddy. Put it together and then cut along the edges, and then we're gonna glue a couple pieces down. But that's pretty much done.
Yeah, I love it.
And I think it ties everything in with the outdoor shower look, and I love it.
Perfect. One step closer. Woo-hoo! Let's go. All right, guys, so Jeff has removed the island right here, and the water slide will come from the ceiling as previously disclosed in past vlogs. But what we haven't let you know is that there's a secret switch behind the refrigerator that's going to have the island like raise from the floor so we can start cooking in style.
After we slide down the water slide. That sounds like so much fun.
And obviously, because we're not, cavemen, it will be voice activated. Hey Siri, please raise the island from the floor. And he's gonna make it happen. Right.
Definitely. We're gonna make it happen.
Hey, what's up?
Hi. We're gonna do one more project tonight, and we are going to replace the lock on our door. RV Lock sent us this big, beautiful keyless lock, and we are going to replace ours because I've heard that like RVs have a universal key, and essentially you can get into any RV if you have that key.
Goodness, what criminal Facebook group are you in?
Well, anyhow, it's terrifying. So we're gonna use the secure lock instead, and the directions look super easy, so we're gonna install it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
So guys, before we actually start, we forgot to mention that we actually had problems getting into our RV today when we showed up. So,
accurate. For some reason it wasn't unlocking. So I said, you know what? That's a project for today. That way we don't have to worry about it. We can set a code. We have, we also even have like a little remote.
Ooh.
So it's like a car. How cool
Sweet.
is that?
So you want this RV lock, definitely hit it in the description box below. But this is a good RV tip to handle the problem as soon as you see it, because if you don't and you delay,
you might have worse problems tomorrow.
Yep. In our case, being locked outside of your RV. So let's install this thing. I'm really excited for this to unlock our car with the whole like key remote here. Like chirp chirp. That's gonna be super cool. So we'll use that. See if I can get it to focus here. There we go. So I'm really excited to use this key fob here. RV lock. I dig it. She's back to work.
Now it should come off.
Just like that.
All right.
Now anybody can get in. You want to pull that out? There we go. We're going to.
Look, styrofoam.
I'm so glad this is state-of-the-art technology that it makes me feel safe.
Nice. Go. So it took us about 8 minutes to do that, but if you didn't drop things or you weren't vlogging, you probably could do it in 5.
Yeah, most likely. So guys, it's that simple. This thing's really cool. Let's see if the chirp thing works.
That would be cool. So here, you can turn the fob and stuff on, and then you can always reset the code if from your inside. You can't really see that, but oh, I missed it. Do it again. Unlock it. What? Guys, this is cool.
Hey Siri, open.
It said no.
Hey Siri, close.
Thank you, RV Lock, for keeping us safe. We'll set the code later. I have to read the instructions on how to do that. But
the code's gonna be 2319.
2319!
2319! We have a 2319!
All right. So what's going on in here?
Okay, this is where the sink's going to be, right directly there. It's centered between the 2 lights. This is going to be the end of the actual cabinet, that one dark line, not the rounded one. See, that's a farmhouse sink, so it sticks past the cabinet that much. So I kept the cabinet back to there. And they'll have more space on this side. The counter will come over to here, and there'll be shelves, open shelves on that side, and just some storage underneath in general. I think I've decided I'm going to put one door on this side because it's lower. It comes all the way down to like here, the sink does. So the doors are too big that I can only get a small door. So I'll put the 2 regular size doors on the back side and one door here so you can still get stuff in from either side.
Ooh, nice. You a happy camper?
I'm excited. This is literally like the last really big project.
Yeah. And then we're going to knock out the floors. So
really Saturday, once I start to get the framework done, you can basically start working on the floor once I get the framework done. I mean, we'll be working around each other, but that's not a big deal. Because I have the sides and like I have the opening to leave for the doors, but I'll just shoot everything together.
Guys, I think this is the end of the episode. If you want to see more behind the scenes, you can follow Griff and Alyssa on Instagram. You can see like detailed behind the scenes. But for now, guys, as always, if you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise.
Paradise!
Bye!
After I get this.
Oh, I thought you were saying
I was
something.
going to say anything.
He's like, after I get this.